Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Onyii. If this is your first time here, so I don't know if I mentioned it on this channel, but I know some of you already know. We moved to this new house late last year, like around December. So when we moved, the people that helped us move, they ended up dirtying the walls, because as you guys must have been seeing in my vlogs, almost all our walls are white. So yesterday we decided to do some cleaning. Like, we decided to clean the walls because they were not looking okay at all. So yesterday we did the cleaning. So today, this morning, I want to start with moving everything back to where it was. Like in the sitting room, I have to move back the chairs to where they were, because we had to move the chairs to clean the walls. And then I also have to, the crayfish I bought since that I was supposed to blend, I've just been ignoring it, and the only time I remember it these days is whenever I'm resting. Like whenever I want to chill, that's when I remember that I've not blended the crayfish, and then I'll start thinking about it. It will start stressing me out. So today I finally decided I'm going to get it done. And then I also have a few other things that I need to do, so but I'm going to take care of that. I also want to film a video, my filming setup. Like, I want to show you guys the gadgets I use, because I always get some messages asking me what kind of camera am I using and all that. I don't use too much, so but I'm going to share it like that anyway. So you guys should look out for that on my channel. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel, it will also be a good video for you to watch and all. But right now, let's start with moving the chairs in the parlor.
Pictures of who you used to love lie on the countertop. I'm not a therapist, but that's no way to move along. Tell me, what is your plan for fighting liberation? Babe, I wait, but I think you owe yourself an explanation. My heart is an ocean filled with complex emotion. I don't have magic potion, baby, but have you ever been in love? Don't stop your crying, baby. I wanna be the one to wipe your tears. I can't stop the raindrops falling, but I can make them disappear. Oh, stop me if I go too far, but you're the one I'm falling for. Think about it like a tied up prisoner running through an open door. Running through an open door. My heart is an open book I want for you to read, filled up with empathetic love and curiosity. Tell me, why do you always hide yourself away? And darling, I think you're so much more than just a pretty face.
Hey guys, so on my way home, I decided to branch to urban stores. I bought a few items. Well, literally, I was so hungry, and I knew that even if I came home, before the food I'll bring out from the freezer, I'll defrost and then I'll warm it. It will take a while, so I decided to just buy a few things. Plus, I decided to get our baking stove. So I got this baking stove, and then I saw this burger and I was like, okay, let me try it. I've never tried their burger before. all this kind of thing. I just prefer to do it myself because I mean, why not? So, and then I got chicken and chips. I don't know, the chips looks so good. See, when I was there, I couldn't decide between these two things, so I just decided to buy the both of them. So, and then I got some bread. Yeah, we always need bread in this house because I love to take tea. And then I got some gum. And then I've got, this one is for my husband. He likes his chicken pie and meat pie. So this is chicken pie, this one is meat pie. So that's basically everything I bought. I'm just going to start eating now because I've already brought out, I want to make gari and soup, and I've already brought out the soup. Is like still defrosting. I thought of just putting it inside the microwave, but nah, I just decided to wait it out since I already have something to eat. So I'm going to start with this one. I don't know, if I just hope this thing tastes really good though, because as I was there, people were rushing it, like they just brought it out from the kitchen or something. So people were really rushing it. I was like, okay, it looks like it's something really nice, and I decided to buy it. So I hope it's really good. So this is what it looks like. It looks really nice. I hope it tastes good though. Now let's test their chips and chicken. I like their chips. It's crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Whoever does it is doing it well.
Sets me free. Drink juice from the sweetest berries, dance the night away. Count the stars in the sky while the clouds go by, smoke clouds.